Let's make this heart cookie ice cream sandwich. So first you're going to need some air dry clay and you will need to condition it. Conditioning just means you need to play with it and stretch it a little bit before you use it, otherwise it will crack. Now I'm just rolling it out with a little acrylic rolling pin. And I'm using this heart cutter with a ruffled edge to make the cookie. One tip that I can give you, which I forgot, is to spray a little cooking oil on your cutters, because then you maybe won't have this problem, but it's not that big of a deal. I just went by the edges because they were a little bit rough looking, so I went by each edge and just smoothed it down. Next, I'm using this Waffle embosser. It's a little silicone piece, and I will list where I got the cutter and the Waffle embosser. So you want to take the embosser and press that down, as opposed to, you don't want to lay the embosser down and then roll the clay on top of it, or it will get stuck. Doing it this way, it will release much easier. So you can see I felt like I needed to go a little bit deeper on one side. It wasn't quite imprinting enough, and there we go, we've got a good result there. Now I decided I wanted this pink, and I was all out of pink clay, so I decided to just be old school and go back and paint the clay. So once it was dry, I painted it with my favorite paint, which is Rosemary by Craftsmart at Michael's, and I mixed it with some white. So now I'm taking some lightweight spackle, and I'm just going to put that in a frosting bag and then pipe it along the edge. So you might notice that my spackle is a little bit dry, and so that's why I'm able to sculpt it around like I'm doing. Now I decided I wanted my cookie sandwich a little bit thicker, so I went back and I added one more layer of spackle in the middle. And now I'm just patting the spackle down so that it looks nice and smooth. And then I'm going to take a clean, damp paintbrush and smooth down all of the edges. And now I'm going to take some fake sprinkles. Be sure to go check out my shop, Glam Candy Boutique. I have a ton of new sprinkle mixes that are completely unique. I think you're going to love them. So I'm just going to pour those on the sides and then gently pat them down. Next, I'm just going to add a wooden popsicle stick. I thought about painting it, but I decided at the end not to. Next, I'm just going to add a little pink gingham bow. And if you watch my videos, you know I hate puffy paint, but I have this whole bottle on it. I decided to just use it up. So I'm going to use that to make a drip on the top. And now I'm just adding some more fake sprinkles to the drip. The great thing about this project is it's really versatile for any holiday. You could use this for Valentine's, Easter. You could do this even in darker traditional Christmas colors. You could do this in Halloween colors. You could do a 4th of July one. There's so many different holidays you could do. So here's the finished cookie pop. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Be sure to subscribe. You can also find me on Facebook. That's at Lollipop Lady, and I hope to see you there. Thank you for watching. Bye.